Hello everyone. Welcome to Bamba Adventures here at the stopover, and we are currently heading to Karuru waterfall. You should be here next time. Book your space. Let's go.
Hello guys, my name is Sarah Msemi from Bamba Adventures. Today's adventure as usual. We are at the stopover just to get something hot. It's a bit chilly today. We are going to Karuru Falls. Watch this space. Hello guys, I told you it's gonna be epic. We are at the Rift Valley points, the viewpoint where the view is always a killer view. We've taken photos and now we wanna move to Karuru. Let's do this. I told you. See what you missed. We have just landed in Aberdare National Park, and you can see the way the place is scenic, breathtaking. And guess who's with me? Our guide Sam. Sam, what do you have to say about today?
Welcome to Aberdare waterfall chase with Bamba Adventure. I'm happy to be here with Bamba Adventure. I'm the guide today, so I'm taking them through beautiful. Okay, can you just first see all this? Like, oh my God, this is Wagwan with the beautiful ladies and the handsome men. Awesome, yeah. So we're going to Chania, Karuru, and lastly, Queen's Cave, Magura Caves. Better be here. Enjoy. It's fantastic, fantabulous. Well, I am Sam. Nani me bamba. Aje meni bamba mbaya. Yesu. Ameni bamba bamba. Yeah, so yeah, that's how we do it, man. Vibes and each other. Expectations. Keep them high, because we are higher in the mountains. Attitude iendelee tu kwa tuju. But expectations, waterfalls, awesomeness, a beautiful walk, actually hike walk, scenic. The indigenous forest is just amazing. Well, and sport of animals here and there. Select wildlife. You might be lucky enough to meet an ellie up there, and buffaloes, and the wild bucks. They're up there. The water bucks, sorry. Birds, insects, butterflies. Butterflies are of good omen. So if you meet one, be sure it's gonna be something amazing. Yeah, and let's do this, guys. Let's do this.
Hello. Welcome to Aberdare National Park. We're already here, guys, so we're having a warm-up time and a bit of introduction. From the background, you can see what we're doing. And then we set up to the scenic Karuru Falls. Watch this space.
For you, my God. Hey, I'm crazy for you, my God. I'm crazy for you. I want to impress. Hey, what? Professional flex. Abba. And that. Abba. What? Two.
Wow. Hizi ndo zinabamba, hiyo inabamba. Wow. Hiyo ndo inabamba. Hiyo ndo inabamba. Hiyo ndo inabamba. Hizi za video.
Hello, good people. We are still in Aberdare National Park and the place is simply scenic. Like, this is a view to kill off, as in this is a place you want to be. The weather is awesome. We are just loving it. We are now heading to Karuru Falls. Let's go! Highlight of video was Karuru Falls. We are already here. Wanna see the view? So As I promised, it's going to be a beautiful day, and yes, indeed, it was a beautiful day. We have managed to hike at least 13 kilometers, covered at least 2 beautiful waterfalls. So we are winding up at Nyandarua Falls because time is not allowing us to swim, but sure, this is the place to be. Just look at it. Join us next time. We'll be having a hike. Follow us on our Facebook page as Bamba Adventures. We're also on Instagram as Bamba Adventures. And you can reach us on phone or WhatsApp on 0706 606 606. That's our simple number. Cheers, people, to good times.